The two-day International Amateur Athletics Federation Continental Cup was held on September the 8th and 9th, 2018 in the city of Ostrava in the Czech Republic, a country in Eastern Central Europe. There were 4 continental teams: the Americas, comprising the North American and Latin American countries, then Europe, and not strictly in a continental sense, because it included also Turkey and, as far as I can remember from watching live broadcasts, Russia. Then Asia Pacific, including most of the Asian countries and also the Oceanian countries. Out of them, almost exclusively either Australian or New Zealander athletes. And then Africa. The Americas won the two-day competition with 262 points. Europe came second with 233 points. Asia Pacific clinched the third place with 188 points. And Africa had to settle for the fourth and last place with 142 points. The Americas won the following events. Men's 100 meters with Noah Lyles of the United States. Men's 200 meters with Alonso Edward of Panama. Then men's 3,000 meters with Paul Chelimo. Then men's 4x100 meter relay. The team was composed of Mike Rogers and Noah Lyles of the United States, and Johan Blake and Tiquendo Tracy of Jamaica. High jump with Donald Thomas of Bahamas, winning pole vault with Sam Kendricks of the United States, winning it. Triple jump with Christian Taylor of the United States. Shot put with Darlan Romani of Brazil. Discus throw with Frederick Dacres of Jamaica. And on the women's side, 200 meters with Shawnee Miller Uibo of the Bahamas. Then 100 meter hurdles with Danielle Williams of Jamaica. 400 meter hurdles with Janive Russell of Jamaica. And then a women's 4x100 meter relay. And the team was composed of Angela Tenorio of Ecuador, Shawnee Miller Uibo of the Bahamas, Jenna Prandini of the United States, and Vitoria Cristina Rosa of Brazil. Women's long jump with Caterine Ibargüen of Colombia, winning it. Women's triple jump also won by Caterine Ibargüen. Women's hammer throw won by Diana Price of the United States. And then the mixed 4x400 meter relay, each team included 2 men and 2 women, was also won by the Americas with Christian Taylor of the United States, Lugelin Santos of the Dominican Republic, Stephanie Ann McPherson of Jamaica, and Shawnee Miller Uibo of the Bahamas composing the team. The European team won the following events. Men's 110 meter hurdles, Sergei Shubenkov, officially a neutral athlete because of the continuing ban of Russia from the major international track and field championships due to and other major international championships due to its state-sponsored doping. But Sergei Shubenkov won it in any case. Then Europe won also men's javelin throw with Thomas Höhler of Germany, winning it. On the women's side, Europe won the 3,000 meters flat race with the Netherlands' Sifan Hassan prevailing. The women's high jump with Maria Lasitskene, officially a neutral athlete, but representing in fact Russia. Pole vault with Angelika Sidorova, also as an officially neutral athlete, winning it, but representing in fact Russia. Then the Asia Pacific team won the following events on the men's side. Men's 400 meter dash with Abdelela Haroun of Qatar. Then men's 400 meter hurdles with Abderrahman Samba of Qatar. Men's hammer throw with Dilshod Nazarov of Tajikistan. On the women's side, the Asia Pacific team won the 400 meter dash with Salwa Eid Nasser of Bahrain. Women's shot put with Gong Lijiao of China. And women's javelin throw with Lu Huihui of China. The African team won the following events. On the men's side, 800 meters with Emmanuel Korir of Kenya, 1500 meters with Elijah Monangoy of Kenya, then 3000 meter steeplechase with Conseslus Kipruto of Kenya, men's long jump with Ruswal Samai of South Africa. And on the women's side, 100 meter dash with Marie-Josée Talou of Côte d'Ivoire or Ivory Coast. 800 meters with Castor Semenya of South Africa. 1500 meters with Winnie Chebet of Kenya. 3000 meter steeplechase with Beatrice Chepkoech of Kenya. And no other victories for the combined African team.